Hey everyone, welcome to this week's market update. Just want to chat to you about as the pandemic restrictions eased in June, but home buying intentions have obviously spiked, which is really interesting. We're seeing it return to close to levels seen in March prior to COVID. Throughout June, a 6% rise in home buying intentions was shown in CBA's latest household spending intentions index. So basically it's reaching levels that we saw in March pre-pandemic. We're also seeing massive buyer numbers at a local level, and even more obvious now that we're obviously lacking stock. And we're also seeing that there's a surge in overall buyer inquiry, which is awesome. Intentions tumbled in April as economic shutdown restrictions dramatically affected home buyer activity, obviously. But at a local level in Brisbane, we didn't really see that much of a decrease, only a momentary shift. CBA's chief economist actually came out and said that recovery in June was largely fueled by record low interest rates, which was fairly obvious, and the partial reopening of the Australian economy, because as we started to reopen and get out of lockdown or shutdowns, that saw a massive rise in new mortgage opportunities for the CBA as people look to take advantage of the new low interest rates at a record low. Most of the mortgage brokers that we're talking about at a local level have seen a doubling in the amount of inquiry over the last couple of months, and there was even a higher spike in demand and home loan inquiries once the first home buyer and the building grants came into effect. Over the last 4 weeks alone, first home buyer inquiries have tripled compared to April 2020 at a mortgage level. I hope this has helped, and we'll talk to you soon.